All right, still to come on All Angles. Let's give you, or rather, let's take you to court now. Those live visuals of Advocate Teffo. He is the defense attorney for accused 1 till 4 in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. At the moment, he is in the dock. He's not on the side of a defense lawyer, but he is the one who has to be defended today. Teffo was arrested yesterday at the High Court in Pretoria just after, the judge actually, postponed the trial to the 30th of next month. He was arrested and taken to the Hillbrow police station in Johannesburg, where, according to my colleague Slindelo Masikane, he spent a night in prison. So at the moment, he is inside a courtroom at the Hillbrow Magistrate's Court, also in the city of Johannesburg. And at the moment, he is speaking to his attorney. It's the same attorney that he usually takes to the High Court in Pretoria when he's defending those 4 accused in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. What he's been telling Slee throughout the course of these past 2 days is that the warrant of arrest for Advocate Teffo was for trespassing last year already at the police headquarters in Parktown in Johannesburg. And what happened then was that a warrant of arrest for him was actually supposed to be executed, but it was cancelled. And there has been a picture doing the rounds on social media, which it dates, I think, the 21st or 28th of December 2021, where Advocate Malisela, the police are being told to cancel the warrant of arrest against him. So, of course, yesterday, this has cast some doubts. And as you heard with our interview with Advocate Nel, who represents the Meyiwa family, it does cast some doubt, especially because this was just moments after Advocate Teffo told the judge in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial that he felt that his life was being threatened and that his life was in danger because of some of the evidence that he's going to challenge in terms of how the police conducted their investigation into Senzo Meyiwa's murder back in October of 2014 in Vosloorus. So far, he's been challenging police investigations. For instance, he says definitely the crime scene was tampered with. He talks about a certain hat. And if those of you who've been following this trial and who've watched the documentary that recently came out on this murder, this cold case, what happened was that there was a hat that was found on the floor, on the kitchen floor of Kelly Khumalo's mother's home in Vosloorus, and that hat was always in question. And Advocate Teffo so far has been trying to throw that evidence out of court by saying that according to what he understands and the evidence he's got, the hat has a female DNA inside. How he's trying to throw that out of court is that he's trying to prove that there were 3 females in there. Just to remind you, of course, that was Zandi Khumalo, Kelly Khumalo's younger sister, Kelly Khumalo herself, as well as their mother. And he's trying to say it could have been the DNA of those 3 women. So that hat cannot belong to any of the accused. So, of course, today he's going to appear in the Hillbrow Magistrate's Court. He's ready, so we're waiting for the magistrate to walk in, and then the case will get underway. We're also expecting that the investigating officer who actually made the arrest yesterday, the dramatic arrest yesterday, to also explain to the magistrate exactly what happened in court and why the arrest was executed the way that it was executed. So as soon as we see that the case is underway, we'll take you there live. For now, let's take you to a short break. You're still watching All Angles here on eNCA DSTV channel 403. Do stay with us.